Hey, Capital High, ever wonder if a class could actually kickstart your career? Well, let's check out your options. I'm serious. What if your best class wasn't just about a grade? These courses can turn what you love into a future. All right, first up, the creators and designers. If you love art and making cool stuff, these classes are for you. In digital design, you'll get your hands on pro software like Photoshop to create amazing graphics and even websites. In Draw/Paint, it's all about the fundamentals. You'll build your skills from the ground up, drawing what you really see. Ready to get your hands dirty? In ceramics, you'll create awesome 3D art and find your own unique style. How cool is this? In sign design, you get to use actual laser engravers to make signs, stickers, you name it. Okay, next group are storytellers and performers. If you love being on stage or behind the camera, listen up. Want to be on TV? Well, kinda. Join the CoU TV team and help produce our school's daily news broadcast. Ever dream of making a real movie? In film cinema, you'll learn it all, from shooting to the director's chair. Here's your chance to be the voice of our school. In journalism, you'll write and publish our student newspaper. Want to create a piece of CHS history? In Yearbook, you'll design and produce the book everyone remembers for years. Ready to rock out? School of Rock teaches recording, mixing, even guitar. And hey, no experience is needed. Love theater, but not the spotlight? You can be the magic behind the scenes, running the lights, sound, and sets. Or maybe you are ready for the spotlight. Intro to Theater is all about acting and building your confidence on stage. Think on your feet. Improv builds confidence through fun, super fast-paced games. It's an absolute blast. All right, shifting gears to our builders and innovators. Love working with your hands and technology? This is your spot. In Woods Tech, you'll work in our huge lab, creating really cool projects like custom pens and cutting boards. Time to spark things up. You'll learn to shape and weld metal with real, hands-on experience in our fully equipped lab. This is where art meets tech. In 3D design, you'll use 3D printers to bring your digital creations to life. Who loves video games? Well, here, you'll learn to build your own games using professional tools like the Unity engine. Let's talk robots. You'll team up to design, build, and program robots for some pretty intense engineering challenges. Got a business idea? Intro to Marketing teaches you the ropes with real projects. Plus, you can join DECA. Thinking about a medical career? You'll learn key training skills and can even get CPR certified. That's a huge plus. So what's it going to be? Think about what excites you. Come talk to a counselor, and let's start building your future.